Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys two methods on how to get the black duffel bag in GTA 5 Online. If these two methods on how to get the black duffel bag do work, I would greatly appreciate it if you can go ahead and comment it down below so other people who want to try the glitch will know it's going to work and they can also go ahead and try it out. And while you're at the comments, can you go and drop a like so people can see the video has more likes than dislikes and they can also go ahead and try it out and get the duffel bag in GTA 5 Online. And now, let's get into the video. Now the first method I'm going to be showing you or the person that's going to be helping you must have an arcade. So just one of you have to have the arcade, and once you have it, come over here where it says approach and make sure the approach you have is called the big con, which is the middle option. All right, now once you have the big con as your approach, head over to your second screen where all your setups are happening. Head over here and just head over to where my red circle is, and all you want to do is keep on scrolling until you find the one called group sex gear. Now you might have something else called bug stars, but just go and press A on it. I really do not know the button on PlayStation, but go ahead and just select it and then switch until you find group sex gear. Now keep in mind there are two parts for the group sex gear. First part, you go ahead and steal the truck, and then the second part is where you go ahead and take the duffel bag. All right, very important. So if you're like doing this for the first time, you might see like, oh, why is my mission different? That is why. It's because you're on part 1. Now all you want to do is head over to the location of where the duffel bag is, which is always here. I've done this like multiple times and the location has always been the same exact area right here. Now I might just been like lucky and haven't gotten them all like in the like streak, but yeah, it's always here. Head over here to this location. Now you guys can go ahead and do this two ways. You can go ahead and shoot up everyone, blow up everything, or just go and do a sneaky and sound like I'm doing. But I did end up getting caught, but I had to shoot up everyone else. Now once you have done one of those approaches, go ahead and take a picture of the place, send it to Lester, and then once you have done that, you should be able to pick up the duffel bag. Right, so here you go, pick up the duffel bag, and all you want to do now is go ahead and just take it. Now before you do that, since I am doing this here solo, the first duffel bag I'm gonna go ahead and deliver it normally. Okay, this is not part of the glitch, I'm just delivering it normally because I'm doing this here solo. But if you are doing this with multiple other people and they also want to go ahead and get the duffel bag, all you want to do is go and skip to the timestamp you see on the screen on how to do the glitched part. Okay, but right now I'm just delivering it normally. Okay, so there you go. Now I have the second duffel bag. Now this is the part you want to go ahead and do if you want to get the duffel bag, because this is on how to glitch it out. Okay, so once you have got the duffel bag, get into a vehicle that can fly, such as a deluxo, helicopter, jetpack, anything that can fly, get into it, and all you want to do is go ahead and fly a high enough distance where you're able to open up your parachute when you jump out. So for me, it's like around this distance. Let me just go above the crane real quick. There you go. Line yourself up with your arcade garage door, so that is very important. And all you want to do now is open up your parachute. And basically all you want to do is go ahead and slam right into the garage door and make sure you land as very close or on the yellow circle. Okay, just like you see me do right here. Okay, so land as close to as possible or land right on it. Okay, highly recommend you to land right on it. Very important. Okay, but yeah, once you have done that, all you want to do is go ahead and head over to the gun store. But right now I'm going to be showing you the second method, but if you do want to go ahead and skip to the step where you go ahead and get the duffel bag, skip to this timestamp right here on the screen. But now I'm going to be showing you guys on how to do the second method for the duffel bag, since there are two methods. All right, so yeah, on to the next method. Now the second method, we need a Terrobyte. Now there are two differences for the duffel bags. First, duffel bag, you are able to change it, which is not blacklisted, but the Terrobyte version is blacklisted, so keep that in mind. The arcade version is not blacklisted, this one is blacklisted. So yeah, now come over here where it says robbery in progress, and all you want to do is go ahead and just start it up and just going to confirm the job. And once you have done that, press right D-pad again on the screen, and all you want to do is go ahead and just find where the robbery is happening. Okay, so just keep on scrolling through the cameras until you do find the location. For me, it was right here at Pacific. So yeah, now there's always going to be a juggernaut here in these things. I highly recommend you to use like explosives or the up and atomizer right here, which I'm doing. I'd like hit him on the floor and just keep on shooting him until like he dies, right? Just like that. Okay, super simple. Now all you want is just go and take out the guys and pick up the duffel bag. Now I believe there's only one duffel bag per doing. But yeah, so if you are doing this like multiple other people and they also want to get the duffel bag, I think there's only one per mission you do, right? So you might have to do this thing multiple times if you're going to be doing this with giving it to the other people. All right, But yeah, so once you have picked up the duffel bag, all you want to do is head over to the location you're going to be dropping it off. So for me, I'm just waiting for lose the cops. But yeah, once you have got the location, head over to it, and all you want to do is go ahead and line yourself up with the yellow circle. Basically, we're going to be doing the same exact thing for the arcade version, but this one is a little different, okay? Not really different, but same landing, okay? So fly high enough distance, jump out, and all you want to do now is line yourself up with the yellow circle. So for me, I can already see it's right there. But yeah, all you want to do now is go ahead, line yourself up. I highly recommend for you to go ahead and use your LB and RB. On PlayStation, it's the buttons right on top of your aiming and shooting buttons, right? The buttons right on top on PlayStation. But on Xbox, use LB and RB, and all you want to do is land on the circle for this one. Very, very important, on the circle, okay? Now, once you have landed on the circle, we are good to go for the first and second method. Now, you do not have to do both of them. You do not need to, okay? You just have to do one of the methods I just showed you. Very, very important, right? But yeah, I highly recommend you to go ahead and do the arcade version, because that one you are able to change your outfits instead of having to kill yourself every time you want to change an outfit, since the Terrobyte version is blacklisted, but the arcade, as I said earlier, is not blacklisted. Now, all you want to do is head over to any gun store around the map. It really does not matter, but once you're at the gun store, head over to your parachute bags right here, and all you want to do is keep on scrolling until you go ahead and find the Israel parachute bag, which is going to be number 25. But yeah, sadly, this is like the only duffel bag that will glitch out. I mean, not duffel bag, parachute that will glitch out the duffel bag. Now come over to your styles on the interaction menu, and then come over here and just put on the parachute just like that. Now, once you have the parachute equipped on, all you want to do is head over to where the match shop is at the beach, and just head over to it right here, okay? Now, I did end up failing 2 times. Not really 2 times. I ended up failing 1 time because the first try I had to go ahead and buy a mask for the heist preps. But yeah, now this is the part I'm going to be showing you guys on what to do, okay? So there you go. All you want to do now is get into a vehicle that can fly, such as an Oppressor Mark II, which I'm using, a deluxe or helicopter, anything that can fly, get into it. Line yourself up with the match shop, which is right in front of me. Make sure you're flying a high enough distance and just jump out just like this. All you want to do now is go ahead and line yourself up with the match shop. You want to land on the match shop, alright? Just do what I'm about to do, okay? Basically, crash right into the thing, okay? And also use your LB and RB buttons to make this precise, okay? Land just like this, and once you land, keep on moving forward while spamming right D-pad. Very important, okay? Timing is key for this one, okay? If you do not get the timing, just go ahead and repeat the same step you just did, okay? And now go ahead and save it. I call it duffel bag, and just back out. And as you guys can see, I have no duffel bag. Come over to your styles, outfits, and keep on scrolling until you go ahead and find the outfit that you named it as. For me, I call it duffel bag, and there's the duffel bag right there. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If this video here was helpful and you did end up getting the black duffel bag using one of the 2 methods, I would greatly appreciate it if you go ahead and just consider subscribing. It supports us a whole lot. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, drop a like, support the channel. And yeah, TiimeDesign signing out. Peace.